You're a superhero.
Hey guys, this is Jason today, and we'll be teaching you how to format your computer. First of all, we need to create our format drive. In my opinion, it is the best option to use a USB flash drive of 8GB or more in order to do your work faster and safer. So the things we are going to need is the ISO file and the ISO burning software. There are lots of examples on the internet, but the most famous and easy to use is Rufus and Balena Etcher. We are going to see how Rufus works today. Both the downlink links though will be down in the description, of course. Let's have a look at Rufus. Firstly, you have to select the correct drive. My flash drive is the test drive. Now, we need the ISO file of Windows 10. There are two versions of Windows 10, the 32-bit version and the 64-bit one. According to your system, you have to download the correct version because there might be a possibility that Windows won't install on your system. In order to check what version of your Windows does your computer have, you have to right-click the Windows flag in the Start menu and select System. Now, scroll down to the system type and there will be a 32-bit or 64-bit version that your computer will tell you what version it is. Now, there will be two links that are leading to the 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows 10 down in the description. Click the proper one and wait till the file downloads. Next, after you downloaded the ISO file and head back to Rufus, click Disk or ISO Image and then hit Select. Then, find and open your ISO file. Go ahead and click on Show Advanced Device Properties. In the partition scheme, you have to be careful. If you're going to install 32-bit Windows, you have to select MBR. Also, if you have UEFI and you are going to install Windows 10 64-bit version, then you have to select GPT. In order to check if you have UEFI or BIOS, hit Windows R, then type MSInfo32, and then in the BIOS mode, if it says Legacy, you have to choose the MBR option. If it says UEFI, then you choose GPT. So in conclusion, we have this scheme. If you download Windows 32-bit version, you have to do the MBR, and if you download Windows 64-bit, you have to select according to your BIOS mode. If it is UEFI, you choose GPT, else you choose MBR. Pretty simple. Alright, next. Last but not least, of course, hit Start and then let it install. If everything went okay, you should restart the PC you want to format. At the start, you should see which key will lead you to the boot select option. Mine is F11. You should select the USB you burned the ISO file on, and then the Windows loader will pop up. Select your language and input method, and then click Next and Install Now. If you don't have an installation key, click Skip, and then I accept the license terms, and then Next. After that, click on Custom. Be careful though, you're about to wipe all the data from your disks. If you need anything different from that, then you have to write me down in the comments, or even better, you should join my Discord server and create a ticket with your problem. Now select your disk and click on Delete and then OK. Do the same thing for all your drives. Then select your drive you want to install Windows on and then hit Next. After a couple restarts, you should be ready to go. Note, if the installation makes your computer restart, you may need to remove your USB drive and restart your PC yourself if it is stuck on the Windows Loader starter screen without doing anything. After some minutes, Windows will be completely set up and you'll be able to use your computer again. That was my video guys, make sure you leave a like, press subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications. It's Jason here, signing out now. See ya.